guys, my name is Javelin Cabradilla. Today we're going to do yoga exercises. So there are 10 yoga poses to get extremely beneficial for your mental and physical well-being.
Tadasana is a simple standing asana, which forms the basis of all the standing asana. Tadasana, it comes from the Sanskrit word stada, means mountain. It is a simple standing posture which forms the basis for all the standing asana. In this asana, body looks like a palm tree. That the reason it is also known as mountain pose. Tadasana is the best exercise to increase the height. To do this asana, the problem of flat feet is reduced. This Tadasana helps to improve body posture. Virikshasana or tree pose is a balancing asana. It is one of the very few standing poses in medieval Hatha Yoga and remains popular in modern yoga as exercise. The name comes from the Sanskrit words meaning tree and asana meaning posture. Uttanasana or standing forward bend with variants such as Padahastasana where the toes are dropped. It is standing forward bending asana in modern yoga as exercise. The name comes from the Sanskrit word intense stretch. Asana posture or sit. Adho Mukha is an inversion asana in modern yoga as exercise, often practiced as part of a flowing sequence of pose, especially Surya Namaskar, the salute to the sun. The asana does not have formally named variation, but severally playful variants are used to assist beginning practitioners to become comfortable in the pose. Badha Sarvangasana, shoulder supported bridge or simple bridge, also called Situ Badhasana. It's an inverted back bending asana in Hatha Yoga and modern yoga as exercise. The pose is named from the Sanskrit word situ, a bridge. Badha kat sarva all hangalab and asana sit or posture. Halasana is a folded inversion, traditionally considered a finishing pose that may be practiced at the end of a yoga session. Halasana is an inverted asana in Hatha Yoga and modern yoga as exercise. Its variations include Karnapidasana with the neck by the earth and Sopta Konasana with the feet wide apart. Muttanasana, seated forward bend or instead dorsal stretch. It is a seated forward bending asana in Hatha Yoga and modern yoga as exercise. The name comes from the Sanskrit word paschima, meaning west or the back of the body. Uttana meaning instead of stretch or straight or instead. Child pose or child's resting pose is a kneeling asana in modern yoga as exercise. Balasana is a counter asana for Various asanas is especially practiced before and after Sirsana. The name comes from the Sanskrit words bala, child, and asana, posture or seat. Balasana is not described until the 20th century. A similar pose appears in Neil book, and primarily gymnastics and Anada Balasana. Crescent lunge pose is a basic beginner standing yoga pose that stretches and strengthens the legs, back, and arms. It is sometimes also referred to as a crescent variation of high lunge pose. Sanskrit lunge pose may also be referred to by its Sanskrit name Ashta Asandrasana.